Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the trigonometric formula, important formula. So first of all, here is a question. Here sin qa minus cos qa divided by sin a minus cos a. So first of all we need to know the aq minus bq formula. The formula is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so here if we assume it sin q as aq and cos q a as bq and sin a minus cos a as a minus b. Okay, so if we divide aq minus bq divided by a minus b here, then our value will be a square plus b square plus ab. So this formula will be put here. So we can say that a square, that means sine square a, and b square we have taken cos a as b. Okay, sine a as a and cos a as b. So sine square a plus cos square a plus ab means sine a into cos a. So we know that sine square a plus cos square a value is always 1. Okay, so we can put 1 here, 1 plus sine a and cos a will be answer. Another important question is here, sir. Cos square 20 plus cos square 70 divided by sine square 59 plus sine square 31. So first of all, what we need to know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This formula we need to put here. Okay, so we will do cos square 20. We can write it as cos square. In place of 20 we can write 90 minus 70 plus cos square 70 as cos square 70. We will not change anything here. Then divided by sine square 59 as sine square 90 minus 31. If we minus 31 from 90 we can get 59, so we will write this like, then sine square 31 as same. Then this cos square 90 minus 70 will be sine square 70 and plus cos square 70 is cos square 70 divided by sine square 90 minus 31, that will be cos square 31 plus sine square 31. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Sine square theta plus square theta is always 1. So we can write it as 1 above and below is also 1. So our value will be 1.